Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about macrophages. So let's start our topic with introduction. Macrophages are large, long-lived phagocytic cells that form a vital part of immune system. They belong to mononuclear phagocyte system and play a key role in innate immunity, adaptive immunity and tissue homeostasis. They are derived from blood monocytes. Macrophages are widely distributed in almost all tissues of body and are essential for defense against infections, clearance of dead cells, and tissue repair. Origin and development of macrophages. Macrophages arise from monocytes which are produced in the bone marrow. Monocytes are cleared in the blood for 1 to 3 days before migrating in tissue where they differentiate into macrophages. In tissues, macrophages adapt their functions according to their local environment and are given specific names such as Kupffer cells in the liver, microglia in the brain, alveolar macrophages in the lungs, and osteoclasts in the bones. Structure of macrophages. They are large cells about 15 to 20 micrometer in diameter. Their nucleus is oval or kidney shaped. They have abundant cytoplasm that is filled with lysosomes and phagosomes. Their surface contains receptors for antibodies, complement protein, and pattern recognition receptors that detect microbes. Functions of macrophages. First is phagocytosis, as they engulf and digest microbes, dead cells, and debris. They use their reactive oxygen species and lysosomal enzyme to destroy pathogens. Second function of them is antigen presentation, as they act as antigen presenting cell and they process and present antigens to T lymphocytes, thus linking innate and adaptive immunity. Third function is secretion of mediators, as they release cytokines to regulate inflammation and recruit immune cells. And they also produce growth factor for tissue healing. Fourth function is their role in inflammation, as in acute inflammation, macrophages appear larger later than neutrophils, thus cleaning up the debris. And in chronic inflammation, macrophages persist and drive the immune response, sometimes causing tissue damage. Fifth function is tissue repair and remodeling, as macrophages stimulate angiogenesis, that is, new blood vessel formation, and they also promote fibroblast activity and collagen deposition for wound healing. Types of macrophages. In the basis of functional states, they are divided into classically activated macrophages, as they are induced by microbial products and cytokines, and they are pro-inflammatory and microbicidal macrophages. Second type of macrophages are alternatively activated macrophages. They are induced by anti-inflammatory signals, and they are involved in tissue repair and resolution of inflammation. Clinical significance of macrophages. First is tuberculosis, as macrophages engulf Mycobacterium tuberculosis, but the bacteria can survive inside them, leading to granuloma formation. Second significance is atherosclerosis, as macrophages take up lipids and form foam cells, thus contributing to plaque formation. Third significance is cancer, as tumor-associated macrophages may promote tumor growth and metastasis. Fourth significance is immunodeficiency, as defective macrophages function lead to recurrent infections. Conclusion of this lecture video. Macrophages are versatile immune cells that act as scavengers, defenders, regulators, and healers. By linking innate and adaptive immunity, they play a central role in both defense and repair. However, their overreaction or dysfunction can contribute to chronic diseases, infection, and cancer. And this was all about macrophages. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.